Hello everybody, getting ready to do lesson 5.6 of geometry today, construction part of this lesson. Angle bisectors and perpendicular bisectors. And we have 0 points in notebook, 28 points of constructions to do in this lesson, part 1 of 5.6. So investigating bisector, the leading question is, what is true about any point on the perpendicular bisector of a segment? Okay, good question. We need a ruler and a protractor to do this construction activity. So on a piece of paper, draw line segment AB, fold the paper so that point B lies directly on point A. We did this way back in, I think, the chapter 1. We're going to do it again here. And then we come up with this fold here. When we fold A on top of B or B on top of A, and we fold our paper, we have a crease here. Draw a line along the crease in the paper. Label the point where the line intersects line segment AB as point M. So here's point M right here, where this is your crease where you did your fold here of A on top of B. Label another point on the line you made in step 2 as point C. So put another point up here, point C. Draw CA and CB. So now draw this line segment here, CA, and then draw CB here. Draw those two segments there. And then copy and complete the table right here. So the segment or angle, you have a segment here, and then you have an angle measure here of CMA and CMB. Then you have your line segments there, measure those. And then line segment, or rather line CM, is called the perpendicular bisector of segment AB. Why do you think this describes CM? Okay, so line CM is called a perpendicular bisector of AB. Why do you think this describes CM? Well, what makes it a perpendicular bisector? So put a text box here and write your explanation here, your description of CM. Why is it a perpendicular bisector of line segment AB? And then 2, think about it. Question, choose 3 points on CM, line CM. Label the points D, E, and F. Copy and complete the table below. What do you notice about that? So we have point C, CA, and CB. What's the length of those? Then point D, measure the length of those. Then point E, measure the length of those. And point F. So you put D, E, and F on your perpendicular bisector, and then you measure out. What do you notice about these? Okay, think about it. 3, reasoning. What is true about any point on a perpendicular bisect of a segment? So what conclusion can you make from that previous table about points on a perpendicular bisector? That is 5.6, the construction for that. A lot of good questions there. Any questions, or you need materials, tests, quizzes, homework sheets, etc., email me here. Thank you.